Good morning, children. Welcome to our next online class. Yesterday we had seen that how to work with one row and one column and multiple rows and multiple column. We had seen this lot I for integer LOC and we are calling our data. Now today we will see selecting accessing individual value. To select across an individual value from a data frame, you can use any type of the following methods. This is the first method, and either give name of row or numeric index in a square bracket. We know what is numeric index and we know what is row. Yesterday we had seen. Now here it is giving that whether either you give name or numeric index in a square bracket you have to give. So here what df object dot column inside square bracket row name or row numeric index. So how you will write dtf dot population inside square bracket Delhi. So you got the Delhi value. Like this, if you are giving a dtf5 dot population inside square bracket 1, you will get that 1 value. So you write name or you can write numeric number, both will work. Next is you can use at or IAT attributes with df object. Use or do means df object dot at inside square bracket row label comma column label. To accessing a single value for a row or column label pair. Second is df object dot IAT row index number comma column index number, accessing a single value for a row column pair by integer position. Now example, dtf5 dot at inside square bracket Chennai comma schools, and you will get the value. So here dtf5 dot IAT inside square bracket 3 comma 2, you got the same value. So here it is given that you can give row and column names with at attribute. At is an attribute name. So with the help of at attribute you can give row and column name. Or if you are giving a numeric, then numeric index and numeric column index with IAT you have to write. I is for index. Attribute to access individual value. Now next, adding, modifying rows, columns, values in data frames. You can assign or modify data in a data frame in the same way as you do with other objects. You need to do is to specify the row's name and or column name along with the data frame name. The process of adding and modifying rows / columns value is similar as well as you will see. First is adding / modifying a column. Columns in a data frame can be referred to in multiple ways, assigning a value to a column. First is, we'll modify it if the column already exists. If column is there means you can modify that name. That is, with the help of modify, you can change your column name if already column name is given to you. Second is, with add a new column if it does not exist already. Means when column name is not there and you need one more column name, then you can add new column name. In SQL also we had seen that last year in class 11 that if column name is there then we can change our column name, and if column name is not there and I want one more column name, then I can add my column name in my database. So in Python also we can add our column names if not there, and we can change our column names if it is already there. So how you will write syntax for this? DTF object dot column name is equals to what you will write, new value. DTF object dot column name, otherwise you can give in square bracket also, is equals to new value. Here, if the given column name does not exist in the data frame, then a new column with this name is added. Here column name is not given. Earlier it is given that population, we had seen this example, population, hospital, schools. This is the column names. Here I want to add column name. So here it is given that DTF5 inside square bracket density equals to 1219. So that is a new column name, and value is also given. So density column name I got 1219. Although the above method adds a column, but here the catch is that all the rows of this column have the same given value. See, 129 is added, but what? 129 is added in all the rows. In Delhi also density is 1219, Mumbai also 1219, Kolkata 1219, Chennai 12. This is not possible that same data you give all everywhere. I need column name, I need value also, but value should be different. It's maybe in one or two place it is common, but not offer common for all the columns. So what to do now? So if you want to add a proper new column that has different values for all its rows, then you can assign the data value for each row of the column in the form of a list. Then how you have to give value? The value you will give like this. This is a syntax, that DTF5 inside bracket density is equals to, again give square bracket and give all the values which you want to add in your column. Like here it is given that 1500, 1219, 1630, 1050, 1100. So now the output see, Delhi got 1500, Mumbai got 1219, Chennai, again the Kolkata, like this values you got. So the different value you got in different place. So this is the correct way that you can enter values. You can add column and give the values. Now same way you can modify an existing column by assigning a new list of values to it. That is, for existing column it will change the data value, and for non-existing column it will add a new column. There are some ways of adding a column to a data frame. First is dfObject.at bracket means at colon comma column name, values for column name. Another way, dfObject.loc inside square bracket colon comma column name, so the values for column. One more way, dfObject dot is equals to dfObject.assign inside bracket column name equals to value for column. So this is, there are three ways you can add values for a column. So now see it how you will add new column. That will statements will add a new column if mentioned column name does not exist data frame. So like this way you will write dtf.loc inside square bracket colon comma density is my column name, then you give the value. Another way is dtf5 equals to dtf4 dot assign density inside bracket density equals to square bracket, then you can give value inside square bracket. So you just need to make sure in above example that the sequence which contain values for the new column must have values equal to the number of rows in data frame, otherwise Python will give you error. So if it's not match, then what you will get error error is value error. This type of error you will get. Next is how to work with row, adding and modifying a row. Up to here we had seen how to add column and how to add value in our data. Now next is how to add row and how to modify row. You have to write what syntax, like column you can change or add rows to a data frame using at or LOC attribute. Now to change or add a row, df object.at add row name comma colon inside square bracket equals to new value, or you can write df object.loc inside square bracket row name comma colon equals to new value. Now see this one, dtf5.at at inside square bracket Bangalore comma colon and value is given. The same thing happen in column also. We had given that one column name and value, so all the same values same for same column, for every column. So here the same for row, Bangalore it is added and one value you given 1200, so you got all the values same in every column, like population, hospital, schools, density. But I don't want this type of record, I want to change value. So we had seen already in columns. So how you will write? You will write in square bracket different value. So dtf5 dot add bang inside square bracket Bangalore comma colon and inside square bracket you give the value, different value which you want to add. So like this way you will get data. So while adding a row, this way you make sure that the sequence containing values for different columns have values for all the columns. Otherwise Python will raise value error. If you try to add a row having 4 values to the above data frame dtf5 having 5 columns, then you will get what? Python will give you error. So what? dtf5.loc inside square bracket Mohali comma colon. Here inside bracket you give the value. So this statement is trying to insert having 3 values in data frame. How many columns are there? 4 columns are there. But if you will write 3 values, then you will get error because data won't match, because 4 columns is there, so you have to enter 4 values. Otherwise value error what type of error you will get? Cannot copy sequence with size to array existing with dimension 4. So like this way you have to insert row with different values. You can insert column with different values. This is difference we had seen, how to add column and how to modify, and same how to add row and how to modify our row. And if we are giving less data, then we will get error also. So this much is enough for today. Thank you children. Rest we will see in next class.